So this is Race Car Auto, which is at Bangor. They deal in more older Honda Civics. They've got a really cool selection here. Blue one's nice, but it's right at the top end of my budget. It's about £2,000, just over £2,000. Honda Jazz, in a really cool colour. Yellow EG. I'm gonna go and have a look at the price on that one, and a red EG. See if I can just have a quick look. Right, the red one's 259,000. The white one, the yellow one's 145,000. That's way too rich for me. Look down the back, nice blue EG. Lovely big BM. Race Car Auto. So that one, that's 179,000, but it's a completely restored EG. Carefully squeeze down through here. This is Sit On Cars now, it's a different dealership. Race Car Auto do have a few prestige cars in now as well. Try and show you. Trying to figure out the best way or the easiest way to walk around, because they've got two different sales tents now, which is fantastic for them. The bright orange Civic sedan. Wait a second, otherwise I'll go by a Honda Crossroad. I think these are just waiting for it. Yep, they got a Supra now. BS13 sold, sadly not to me. Speed Hunters, EG Civic, pay swap. And sadly, Speed Hunters don't seem to be any more. Right. I'm gonna end this one off because we've just done a full circle. And I'll catch you in the next video, but that was Race Car Auto at Bangbua Tong, Nonthaburi. Well worth a visit if you like your EG Civics.